500 Noche Buena is obviously false government propaganda, sabi ng Ibon Foundation. Ano ba kasi ito mga kabatas natin? Naglabas kasi yung DTI. Okay? Sinabi ng DTI Chief Cristina Roque na ang 500 pesos ay enough for a basic Noche Buena like a cheap ham, macaroni salad, and spaghetti. Ito yung sinabi niya mismo mga kabatas natin. Actually, in fact, for 500 pesos, you can buy ham. You can already make macaroni, salad, and spaghetti. Roque had remarked over radio DZMM on Thursday. Tapos ngayon, mga kabatas natin, sumagot itong Ibon Foundation. Kasama nga yung kanilang executive director na si Sunny Africa. Okay? That even DTI knows its estimate is not realistic. Sinabi dito mga kabatas natin, no, it is obviously false and part of government propaganda.